Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your phone number in Ring. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video. First of all, you must have to open your Ring app. Now, go to Account Settings and click on Phone Number. Go to phone number, click on it, and then you will have to write your password. A verification code will be sent to your phone, and then copy the code and paste it on this box over here, or you can even write it down. After that, click on verify code. Now you can add another phone number. Click on save, and there you go, you have just added a phone number. So this is how you add a phone number in Ring. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.